Wow, you did a fantastic work. Okay, so you created a VM, Ubuntu, update your VM. Now let's go in the most interesting part is install Nginx. So let's do it now. I'm gonna go here. Let's do a clear and do a sudo apt install and let's do Nginx. Okay, that's good. And I'm gonna start these services. So I'm gonna do yes, and I'm gonna start now the service. And I will configure Nginx to launch on boot. Okay, this is optional but good practice. So now let's start it. So let's do a sudo um, system ctl start Nginx. Okay, this is the first thing. So sorry, it was sudo. Okay, if I don't spell it correctly, it will not work. Sudo sys. Oh, where's that thing here? Okay, okay. Hey, that's better if I don't put it correctly. So that's better. And it's gonna be system. Okay, that's better. And after I will uh, you know, launch and boot. Okay, it's important here. So let's do enable. And I will do enable Nginx. No, Nginx. Okay, that's better. So let's try to do curl. Okay, so you can go here and you can try to do a curl of your VM. So let's take our VM here. So it's this one. Okay, and now you can do that now. Okay, so let's stop my recording. Sorry. And you can do now directly curl. And let's do on port 80 and your public IP address. Okay, so here you have welcome to Nginx. Okay, so that's working correctly. Of course, you can also take your IP address here and go here and type your IP address, and you will have, of course, the welcome. This is the HTTP here, and um, and this is where, of course, you will be able to access your VM. But it's working correctly, fantastic. Um, okay, and let's open it also on my browser. Okay, so it was HTTP and not HTTPS. That's it, and now you have your welcome to Nginx. Okay, wow, what a great job. So you learn how to install Nginx on your VM. It's very simple. My VM is here running, so that's working fine. And that's it. So thank you very much. Let's now start new session. Ciao, ciao. Take care.